Hello, today I'm in Schoology to show you how to access resources from Discovery Education. Whether you're on a MacBook or an iPad, in Schoology, Google Drive, or ClassDojo, you'll be able to access Discovery Education content that your facilitator has shared with you. There's a link here in this Schoology course to a virtual field trip that I've been asked to watch. I simply am going to click that link as I would any other, and what I'm greeted with looks like Discovery Ed content. One of two things is going to happen. You've either already logged in with Google to access Discovery Education content, or you need to log in. In this case, I can see the login button here, so when I go to click play, it's simply going to ask me to log into my Google account. If I've already done that on my browser, as you saw, the screen just simply flashes, recognizes that I'm logged in, and now I can go ahead and click play again and it'll play the content. If I'm not already logged in my browser, I'm going to be prompted to log into my Google account. That's my first name underscore last name at pequayvalley.net. And then I'll use my Google password for learners K through 4. That's going to be your 4-digit birth date. For learners 5 through 12, grades 5 through 12, that's going to be your laptop password. You'll place that in, and then you'll be able to access this Discovery Education content very easily by, again, clicking that play button. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.